Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday and we have a 3-layer cake. First layer is our 5 routines. Morning routine for ourselves and our children. Laundry routine if we're staying home. Laundry routine for you at work, Fly Babies, after you get home from work. And paper follows right in when the laundry's swishing in the machine. You're going to do your 1 little inch of paper. Then, after we have dinner tonight, we're going to have our after dinner routine with the whole family helping. Please don't steal that from your family. It's a joyful and growing time to self-discipline yourself and discipline your children, which means just guide them in the way that they should go so that they will learn how to do this for themselves by watching you and by doing a little job. Even if they're a teenager, just a little job, okay? Don't make them do the whole thing. Everybody come together and clean up after dinner. And then our before bed routines for yourself and your children. So those are your 5 routines. That's the first layer of the cake. The second layer of the cake is our zone. We're in zone 2. This is the last day of zone 2, the kitchen. And so we're going to work for 15 minutes in there if we're having to declutter. But if you've done with the decluttering, your last planned item in the kitchen is going to be worked on today. 10 minutes or less. Don't perfection clean. Deep clean, but don't perfection clean. 10 minutes or less, one thing, okay? All right, and then the third thing is our final thing for the day, and that is our basic weekly plan. Today is car and purse day. Let's keep our car looking nice and our purse looking nice. That's a reflection of who you are, and it tells you yourself when you look in your purse or get in your car how important you are to yourself, which is very important. You should be very important to yourself. All right, and then it is date night. Hooray! So when you have after dinner routine, that may be just for your kids and the housekeeper. I mean the babysitter or the older teenager or whatever, and they can do that. If they have pizza, that's usually what you get kids, you know, pizza or hot dogs or hamburgers or something like that. Nothing that's really hard for dinner. And then you go and enjoy yourself. Do the before bed routine for the kids if you're still there that late. If you're not, that can be delegated as well. Just remember to tell them what it is. You know, pick up the toys, take a bath, brush your teeth, hang up their towel, put their PJs away, pick out a book, read a story, and go to bed at X time. You want to keep that standard for children. And if you have teenagers, you know, they can stay up a little later. And let's see what else. Oh, before bed routine for yourself is actually before date routine. So freshen yourself up, make yourself smell good, maybe change your blouse or put on a new scarf or whatever, and go out and enjoy your date night with your sweetheart. And then when you come in, you're still going to do your before bed routines. You're still going to take off your makeup, put on your moisturizer, and get yourself ready so that tomorrow will be a good Saturday. That's it for today. I want you to always remember that you are beautiful. Have a great day.